So today's video, I want to show you how to do a tracing paper transfer. And so you're going to want to find an image that you want to transfer. And I'll just show you, here is one that I've done in the past. And so you can go through magazines. You can go through books. This is actually a catalog, an art catalog. Whatever you have, there's a magazine. And find an image. You can even use a photograph if you like of somebody, right, that you know. Okay, and you can even use your fodder. Okay, so I'm going to do a Diet Coke because I really drink a lot of that. What you do, I'll just show you one actually. So here is my transfer, my image transfer of somebody using clay on the wheel. Here is the image that I used, and you can see like that. So you want to get your tracing paper. You can see I just have a small piece of it here. And you're going to put it right on top. And you're going to use your 2H pencil. See, 2H. Okay. And you're just going to trace whatever it is you want to transfer. And if you make a mistake, it's not a big deal. You're working in pencil here. So you can erase. All right, so I did my pencil, and now I'm going to clean it up with my pen. You can use your V5 Precise pen, or you can use your ultrafine Sharpie. The ultrafine Sharpie is waterproof. So, like on this one, I put on color, and so you might want to think about using a waterproof one if you wanted to add some color to it with water. I'll show you that in the next step. You can also put the color on first and then ink it, and I'll show you that as well. So let me just ink this here. I think I'm going to use my V5 Precise. All right, now I'm going to just make sure that the ink is dry, and I'm going to erase any of the pencil marks I can still see. Now you have an option. You can leave it just like this and glue it into your journal, or you can add some color. And you can either use your markers, or you can use your watercolors. Just because I think it's easier, I'm going to use my markers. And I can either go on the top or I can go underneath. And I think I'm going to try to go underneath. So I'm going to match this color, the red color, and I'm going to just use my marker and outline the area that I want to color, and I can color it in. If I want to, I can use water, but I don't have to. You know, and I'll show you an example of where I did use water. But let's just see how this, yeah. The color is muted because it's behind the image, but that's okay. It's behind this tracing paper. Now I got to go around all these little tiny areas. I also want to show you on this one here, this is actually a crab, which is hard to see because I did it in pencil and then I put the color in with some water. And so now, since the color's on there, I can go on top with the pen and don't have to worry that this isn't waterproof. And if you look, here is the image that I transferred. So I have my book here. I'm trying to find a place that I might want to put this down. I had done another tutorial on drawing your collection, and these definitely work. I can cut or I can tear. I just am going to prefer to tear. Try not to tear the image. Okay. And then I can put these anywhere I want. They will definitely go over the drawing. So I'm thinking I like that there. Taking my glue stick, using lots of glue. Going around it a couple of times. You want to overlap a little. There, and you can still see some of the things behind it because it is tracing paper. It's semi-see-through. Okay, got our fish here. You can do this with any image. I've seen people do it with photographs. I've seen people do it with words. I want it right there. So it is good if you overlap over something that's already there. So you can use the transparency kind of to its advantage and you know, kind of see little bits from behind and mask little bits too. So really getting glue down on there, super sticky. Okay, and then just cut off the edges when I'm done. This one I might choose to put around an edge or something. I'm not quite sure. I don't see something in this book that I want to put it in, but I'll probably save this and put it in another one of my books in the future. So that is tracing paper transfer. I highly suggest it. It adds really cool things to your journal. Bye guys.